So this is your update on the on the freezing cold the free. Oh my gosh! Come on, what was I gonna say? What am I gonna say? Update on the potential, or not potential. Well, it is gonna happen. The coldest air we've seen here in 7 years. Hang on, just making sure. So here we are now. We have a hard freeze warning. In fact, do we ever see that? No. But this is for the potential for the coldest air we've seen 7 years. Um, but first, let's go ahead and talk about let's, this is the blizzard. Blizzard is underway, and you can see. Look at all that snow. This is snow, not rain, because this is just a beeper. But this is on historic levels. So if this is what we have right now, we can see it. I mean, it's just like this is just like unbelievable. It looks like they've changed a few things. So this is a freeze warning, and you can see what the expectations are. Oops. This is a hard freeze warning. The temperature is as low as 20. And this is your winter. This is your winter. This is your blizzard warnings. This is probably updating. Blizzard warnings in effect here. You see all that snow in the blue screen. You can see all the way up to Maine, including